Well, hi guys, here it's Ludo at Trading Academy, and I would like to welcome you to our company pick of the week. Within this short video, we are gonna introduce you to a company, show you some insight and some financial analytics of it, so you can have an idea on how the company is actually bringing value to its own shareholders. We would like to go also through some little history, how the company has reached this level of success, and as well some future forecast. But let me introduce who we are. Well, we're a trading academy with the mission of educating our audience in becoming professional traders, and we do so by posting analytics, daily results, our strategy and our trading ideas online through our socials, Facebook, Instagram and Twitter, and as well very big activities on our Horizon X YouTube channel, where we post all our analytics, again daily results, and moreover our weekly webinar. Great opportunity to see some potential earning strategy and some great opportunity to interact with our best trader in-house. Well, but let's go back to where we started, and today I want to introduce you to the company, which is gonna be Walt Disney. We are gonna go through some presentation, and then I will show you how it actually has brought value for more than half a century to its own shareholders. Let's kick off.
Well, as in today, I'm going to give you some insights on the Walt Disney Company and how since 1957, year of IPO, is bringing value to investors. Well, I would like to kick off this presentation by giving you an overlook on what we are going to be covering today, starting off with the history of the company and how it evolved within time, becoming the biggest mass media and entertainment conglomerate in the world. Of course, we're going to be covering the strategy adopted to reach this level of success and how they're still bringing shareholder value, closing it up with some forecast for the next 12 months. So, by starting off with the history, I would like to start with the cultural icon Walt Disney and how in the early 20s, together with his brother, founded the Walt Disney Company in such a little studio in LA. At the beginning, the company name was Disney Brothers Studios, and when in 1928 they released Mickey Mouse, reaching extremely high level of success, Walt Disney and his brother decided to buy 53 acres in Burbank, Los Angeles, which is still nowadays the house of Mickey Mouse. Well, of course, as Walt Disney is a company that nowadays employs 201,000 employee and has a market capitalization of 240 billion US dollar. And you can understand that to reach these numbers, the company has to go through a unique evolution. And how did this happen? By business diversification. Well, business diversification gives the company an advantage towards others because it lowered down the risk. Business such as Disney, in fact, operate in many industries and sectors such as hospitality, theme parks, movie, studio, and merchandise retails. So therefore, you can say that the Walt Disney Company is having so much success by operating in many different areas. Well, looking more specifically into the strategy they adopted, especially in the last period, we can see that the Walt Disney Company adopted an aggressive acquisition strategy since 1993. However, after 2005, when Bob Iger became the CEO and chairman of the company, the Walt Disney really rallied up and acquired many famous other company within the mass media and the entertainment spectrum. Well, I can tell you some names such as Miramax in 1993 for 60 millions, going in 1995 to become and to acquire one of the biggest mass media ESPN, and ABC, together with Pixar in 2006 for $7.4 billion, and as well the latest one in 2019 for 71.3 billion, 21st Century Fox. So by the scale of this name, you can understand how big and how profitable this company has to be. Well, all this acquisition strategy and the tactics behind it led the company to become undisputed leader in the entertainment history and industry. Well, moving on with the shareholder value, you can see with this graph that the stock price is moving only in one direction, up. This is covering since 2001 till 2019 stock movements about the Walt Disney Company. And as I told you, there is only one movement up. You can just see that in December 2011, the stock was quoted at 23.20 and nowadays reached maximum value of 141.37 US dollar. So you can see that in only about 7 years, the company is bringing huge value to its own investor just by looking at the spread. Well, there is also something else behind it, and are the features regarding returning on invested capital and return on asset. Well, these two ratios can give us an idea on how the company is operating within its own asset and how the company is looking out for future opportunities to bring back more and more value year after year to its own shareholders. Well, just giving you an idea on how Walt Disney employ its own cash, you can see that the stock is going to reach 180 high within this year and a low of 123, respectively 30% plus and minus 11.3. However, I want you to focus on the median. The median is what is going to be the price within the next 12 months, more or less, and it's a median that gives us a plus 11.1%. Just imagine to have that stock in your portfolio that is leading you to a plus 11.1 within 1 year. I think that this is a very solid investment considering what kind of company we're talking about, of course, blue chip stock. And you can say again that since 1957 is giving investors great returns and capital gains. Therefore, I believe, considering to have a deeper analysis and a closer look to the DIS Disney stock in the New York Stock Exchange would be a very great opportunity and such a catch for any investors looking for profitable opportunity within the stock market. Well, for today's all, and I would like to thank you all for following us and following our entertaining video about Walt Disney Company. Thanks a lot again.
Well guys, if you like the content of this video, please do not hesitate, come and visit us on our webpage, social media, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, huge presence on our YouTube channel where we release and post our analytics, daily results, strategies and new trading ideas. Moreover, just a quick reminder, we also host our weekly webinars on our YouTube channel, so great opportunity for you to see actual live format trading and be in contact with top trader in-house. Well, again, I hope you enjoyed the video and subscribe it if so, and in the meantime, I wish you all a very happy weekend. Bye.